Hi, I'm Sarah Appleman. I have been a children's occupational therapist for over 20 years. My goal as an occupational therapist is to provide as many free or affordable resources to families who are working with sensory processing disorders. In this video series, we'll be discussing different problems you may face while parenting a child with autism, sensory processing disorders, or even just plain picky eaters. I'm glad you're here. Let's start playing with our food. Hi, I'm Sarah, and today we're going to make some homemade slime. The only things you need for this: water, some hot water, half a cup of hot water, borax, food coloring, and glue. So it's super easy, and there's lots of fun things that you could do in your home. This is a sensory-based activity for kids who don't like to get sticky, dirty. This is a great way to incorporate it, okay?
But I do.
You're lucky. So, first part, I'm going to move this out of the way. We're going to have you guys open your glue, okay? See if you could do that.
Like this?
Let me get that. Twist, twist. And when you're going to pour your glue, I'll reach it for you.
Should I pour it now?
Here you go. Yes, you're going to pour that into your container. Do you need help here? I'm going to help open at the beginning and then you twist. So even just practicing opening and closing here, hon, you could finish twisting. And you're going to put it in your tin here, okay? Yeah, make sure you get all that glue. Squeeze, good hand muscles. There you go, bud. Nice. Okay, and the next part, when you get all your glue out, we're going to add, so this is a half a cup of glue, and then we're going to add half a cup of water to this, and we're going to stir. So I have your spoon here. Perfect. Good. Looks like you got all of it. Okay, so we're going to cover this.
I didn't get over it yet.
Well, that's okay. He started before you. Here, can you pour? Do you know how to pour?
Yeah.
So pour half a cup.
I'm good.
Yeah, put it down. Yeah, I'll hold it for you. How about that?
Thanks.
You're welcome. Good, 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 good. Keep going, keep going, keep going. And perfect. Okay, now you could take this and pour it in. Okay, now you're going to mix that water and that glue. I'm going to move this over. And then when you're ready, whoop, here, it's okay. We're going to, that's your color. You squeeze. It's very easy to add, but it's not easy to take away. So you only would do a couple drops and mix, mix, mix. And then when you think it's the right color, stop. Or if you want more, that's okay too. Oh, that's good. Here, I'm going to help. I'm going to put this here for you. I think you got it out. Yeah, I think you did, bud.
That's a lot.
That's a lot. Okay, so ready? Okay, can you pour that in? Awesome, good job. Okay, I'll take that from you, and then this is for you. And mix just like your brother. I think you're ready to add the food coloring. Good, good. And then mix that up. Yeah, yeah, yeah. And then this is going to be yours to add.
Is I done now? Is I done now?
Yes. Okay, now add your food coloring. Perfect. Good job. Okay, good, good, good. That's enough, because it'll come out a lot. Okay, mix, mix, mix.
That's not a lot.
It will, you'll see. Look, because you want pink, right? So you don't have to add so much, because look, when you mix the, I'm going to turn it this way for you, bud. So mix all of that. Okay, now that you're ready, when it's all mixed, we're going to get our borax in our next tin. So this is, I try to keep this away, this is warm water, so you can have this dissolve. Okay, so now we're going to add 1 teaspoon of borax into the other container. And now you're going to put half a cup of the hot water into that. Okay? Careful because it's warm. Perfect. And then you could use this one to mix it, since this one already has got glue on it. And once it's dissolved, we will pour the borax and the water into our other one to see what happens. Okay, do you want to help pour? Let's make sure yours is all dissolved. Well, we're going to pour this one into there. Yeah. Okay, ready? Watch, pour this. Go for it, help, pour. Good girl. Oh my goodness. Now, if you want, you could first mix it with a spoon. Oh, you're welcome. Okay, you do the same thing, bud. Okay, now watch. Watch what's happening. You could use your hands or the, ooh, what'd you make? What? Oh my goodness, that's a pretty color slide. And then look, see, it comes right off. What? Oh my God, can you pick yours up, Bounce? Oh, look at that, woo! And now the best part is you guys can take this outside. You could put stuff in it. You could play with it. You could keep it in containers. I bought new containers. And you guys could use this for a couple days and have fun. Or it's so easy to make more. Was that cool?
Yeah.